रुख करते हैं दूरदर्शन के स्थापना दिवस कार्यक्रम की।
Doordarshan, I'm happy to be amidst you here, and we had a long journey, and still we have a long journey to go. Doordarshan is the most credible news communicator in the country. Doordarshan is one channel which upholds the traditions of India, the culture of India, the family values of India, obscenity, vulgarity, violence. Doordarshan always keep them aside, and still the channel has become popular. We have just seen about Ramayana, about Mahabharata, the great epics, how Doordarshan has presented before the people of the country. I wish that people of India, they all show their same affection and love and liking for Doordarshan also in the coming years, because Doordarshan is the one channel which reaches the remotest corners of the country, which touches upon the lives of the people of various sections of the society, which also takes up socio-economic, political, cultural issues in its programs. I wish them all the best. I hope that Doordarshan will become more and more popular in the coming days to come. I always tell whoever channel they come to me for my greetings, I always tell them, be nearer to truth. Keep distance from sensationalization. That is my advice to all. That advice applies to even Doordarshan. Of course, they have been following those traditions. There is now competition. The others are all doing it for commercial purpose. But Doordarshan communicates the development story, the development agenda of the nation before the people. Because information empowerment is very much necessary. Information with confirmation. That is the speciality of Doordarshan. And then information is a great ammunition to fight against poverty, against corruption, against inequalities, against atrocities against women, against social evils. So we have to communicate to the people the need to have social harmony, unity, and we must be in the forefront in upholding the unity and integrity of the country. That's my message to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
बहुत धन्यवाद आपका वेंकैया नायडू जी, केंद्रीय सूचना प्रसारण मंत्री। और जसलीन, यादों की जब बात आती है, क्योंकि 57 वर्ष का सफ़र इतनी खूबसूरत यादों के पड़ाव से होकर गुजरा है। गुलजार साहब ने कहा है कि यादों के चेहरों पर झुर्रियाँ नहीं पड़ती। बिल्कुल, यादें वक्त के साथ साथ, हमारे पास एक ख़जाना है, वो है तो ब्लैक एंड वाइट में, लेकिन फिर वही बात कि यादों के न रंग होते हैं।
और दूरदर्शन के स्थापना दिवस समारोह के कार्यक्रम के दौरान अभी आप सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री एम वेंकैया नायडू को सुन रहे थे, जिन्होंने अपने संबोधन में कहा कि दूरदर्शन की विश्वसनीयता लगातार अपनी स्थापना के बाद से आज भी बरकरार है, और उन्होंने सलाह दी कि सनसनीखेज की जगह सत्य के ज़्यादा करीब होना चाहिए और अपने पॉलिसी में और इस तरह के कार्यक्रमों में भी इसको लागू किया जाना चाहिए। उन्होंने एक खास बात ये भी कही कि दूरदर्शन की पहुंच आज भी सबसे ज़्यादा है और सबसे ज़्यादा घरों में वो देखा जाता है।